Wow, welcome back to my channel on the Maritime Club. And today is like a semi-general cargo ship. It's approaching to the Bay of Biscay, and we can take a look of the waves and sea condition, also the weather's condition at this day is become different. As you know, sometimes, like I told you before, the navigation telex also the news from the weather condition is not accurate when they say no have any bad condition or bad weather will coming over your ship at the each coordinate, but we know nature is nature. Sometimes you can call the friend, sometimes you can call it enemy. Both of them is very static and very really dynamic, so we cannot say everything is gonna be okay. Okay, this pencil name is what is key and future, the name of the ship. It's flag from Germany. They are approaching the Bay of Biscay, but the maneuver is very slow because it's a port maneuver on the port, so we can need to make a safe speed. Maybe the ship also very old. You can look from the blimp mark allowance, also indicator of the freshwater allowance is very like old ship is passing on the under the bridge. Very beautiful views. I really interesting to upload this video because this is coming from some of the website, and I can touch you anything. There is no copyright indicator on this video. That's why it's the common creators, so every creator can upload by the many creation. So that's why this is other ship is Cornwall. It's a very interesting views that everybody maybe cannot show the maneuver of the ship from the nearest place, but I can show you. This is very fantastic views. This is have a bullboy's bow. The indicator bullboy is already shown on the front of the ship. This is a general this is a bulk carrier ship. You can say it's 8 volt. This means how have a different capacity or same. But we cannot say it's exactly because we just only show from the outside of the ship. And I hope you can share this video if you like, comment, subscribe. And for the people who want to monetize your channel, possibly you can contact me directly by email, and I can try to follow your requests and your inquiries. Thank you for your time, and thank you for your watching. We will meet in another videos. Thank you for your support to the Maritime Club, and I hope we can continue and daily upload video, or you can request a video. Thank you for your watching, and have a good day.